Morning, all of you. Myself, Neeraj Dhakar, Assistant Professor, SIRT College, Bhopal. Today, we will discuss about the digital system CS304. This is a subject code. So, in this lecture, we have to study the what is the digital system, application of digital system, advantage, disadvantage of digital system, and how we can design the digital system circuit. I want to share the. So this is your syllabus, and this is your scheme of RGPB University. 04 is the digital course, and this is your syllabus. So unit first, we have to study in unit first number system, number base conversion. Okay, and second unit is combination logic. We have to design the half adder, half subtractor. Third unit is a sequential circuit. Fourth unit is analog to digital. PMOS. Last unit, introduction of design, introduction to digital communication. Okay, so introduction of digital system. Digital system is basically two types, analog and digital. Analog system. So analog system is basically in which we have to apply analog signal, and analog signal is defined as a physical quantity which varies continuously with respect to time. The example of analog signal is amplifier. In the amplifier, we have to amplify the analog signal and get at the output. Now you can see that the digital signal is defined as any physical quantity having a discrete value. So in the digital system, we have to apply the digital signal have only two value, high value or low value. We have to see that the example of digital system is calculator, mobile, iPod. These are the example of digital system. Now, we have to see that the advantage of digital system in the designing of the digital system is easier, and second one is digital system. In the digital system, we have to store it, the data, and the accuracy of the digital system is high. Digital system is also less affected by the noise. And last and very important advantage of the digital system is fabrication on single chip. That means the in the digital system we have to fabricate the thousands or millions of chip, millions of ICs or chip in the single board. So we have to reduce the size of the circuit, size of the board. So we can see that the mobile and laptop are the very compact form, and before 90s we have to know that in 1994 the computer is invented. So the size of the computer is very large, but now we can see that the size of a computer is very small. Why? Using the fabrication of single chip. In so many components you can fabricate in single chip. Disadvantage is also there. Only analog signal is available in the real world. So we have to convert this analog signal into the digital signal. So we, for the converting the analog signal to the digital signal, we have to use the analog to digital converter. So this is a disadvantage of digital system, that we have to use the extra circuit which is called analog to digital converter. Now we have to see the types of logic label. So in the digital system, we have to define the two labels, high voltage label and a low voltage label. High voltage label we have to define by 1, and low voltage label represented by 0. High voltage also we can see that the like a 5 volt, 9 volt, 15 volt. So we have to define the, this is a 1, and lower voltage is 0, so we have to define by 0. That means in the digital system only two values are possible, 1 or 0. We have to see that by the diagram of analog and digital system. So first one is the analog signal, second one is the digital signal. So I have to take the one picture that you can very easily understand by this. We have to convert the analog signal by ADC converter into a digital data. So first, using microphone, we have to catch the sound and transmit this analog signal to the analog to digital converter, and analog to digital converter convert this analog digital data, and this digital data we can apply in the digital system. So PC is the digital system. So this we can done the conversion of analog to digital by analog to digital converter. So these are the example of analog and digital. You can see that this is a telephone, analog signal, and iPod, and mobile telephone is the analog signal, and the mobile is the digital signal. This is your radio. Before sometime you can see the radio, and this is your. So we can see that a lot of books available for the study of the digital system. First one is the Morris Mano, Digital Circuit and Logic Design. Second is Lathi BP, Modern Analog and Digital Communication. Third is S. Salivanan, Ari was Hagjan. So you can purchase this book also for the digital circuit and design, and last you can also purchase this book, Thomas L. Flood, Digital Fundament. So this is a first introduction class of the digital system. So I think so you have to understand the application and advantage, disadvantage of the digital system, and scheme and syllabus of digital system. Thank you.